was sure I was supposed to meet someone, but I couldn't remember who it was supposed to be. I've been looking for them all day. Whoever it is, I think I loved him. What the hell is this Stiles? I have this feeling that I was supposed to do something.
Do what?
I can't remember.
Slow down. Don't be erased, okay? Just like Alex, you're gonna forget me.
I won't. I won't.
You will. I love you.
I saw him. I was there. I was the last person to see him.
I don't think anyone had a connection like you guys.
When I kissed him, that's when it all changed.
Do you get it? We don't exist. Somebody's gonna remember me.
Stiles is real. I know it.
That was you.
Stiles, don't stop. Keep going.
She yeah.
He still likes her, doesn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's different now. Everything's changed.